So my saxophone came in the mail yesterday from my manufacturer, and this is the Pure Vibe tenor saxophone. All right, so we are going to see live open boxing. This one, I told him to make it to where, well, this one doesn't have a high F sharp key, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna make sure that the next one does though. Here's the case. The case is nice, really nice, sturdy case. With a pocket here that I can put things in. Nice pocket there. That's really good. Yeah, really cool case. I might swap this out and use it for my normal tenor man's case. So here we go. Now I kind of patterned things after my horn that I have now, but let's see. We did have some custom coloring, really pretty. Ooh, it smells clean. Hold up, I know, wait a minute. I'm gonna try the neck. Need to put my other neck on it, but that's the neck right there. Ooh, it's heavy. Is there anything? No. So here is the tenor. It is nice and heavy horn. I think I have some things to pull out of the way of the keys. They do have like some of these little foam deals to keep the pads closed. I'll remove those. I'm just gonna locate where everything is. All right, so we're out in the sun, so you can see the horn. See the Pure Vibe logo on there. Really nice, huh? Then we got the keys, pearls, nice. All right, now we need to see what it sounds like.